Hi, this is Sam Churney from Dalhousie University, and I'm working on the Embeddable Diffs project. So since my last demo video, I've made some progress, and we'll run through that now. So if we look at the main diff viewer here, drop down to this test file, now in the kind of embed box area, the correct URLs are generated, both the permalink and the iframe. Now we'll come back to that later because I've run into an issue here, but it's an interesting one. I'm not quite sure what the fix is yet, but we'll get to it. So I'll leave that for now. For a little bit of context again, so here is the embedded diff as it is currently. And you'll notice a few changes. One is that I've removed the kind of the link icon, the one here from the main diff viewer, in the embedded diff fragment. And the reason I did that was because it didn't really seem like it served much purpose. I'm still kind of on the fence about this, but it felt kind of unnecessary. But instead, I've included a link to, it says view this change on review board, and this will just kind of bring us to, well, it goes to example.com, but if I just go to my kind of development server here, it'll link back to the main diff viewer for that diff. And what I'd like to do is actually have it drop down to this. It's like the file that it belongs to. So I'd like to kind of just add the hash 0, for example, for the first file, to have it drop down there. That's something I'd like to do. So that's fine, that's good. So the issue that I was having with this drop down is that I currently can't seem to copy either of these two inputs. So if I go to copy one, for example, and paste it, see, nothing actually gets pasted, but instead there's a kind of this %UFEFF, which is what I've just pasted. So I've done a little bit of research, and it has something to do with Unicode ASCII, I think, but I'm still not sure about that. So kind of a mystery at the moment. But of course, it kind of renders these useless if I can't copy them, right? So I need to figure that out. I'm not sure if that's on my end or something to do with review board at the moment, but I'd like to figure that out. I think that's it for this demo. Just short and sweet, few tweaks here and there, but getting close to the end, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks very much for watching.